MashaAllah. Allahumma zid fazid. Now I want to invite our little small student of class 6 to speak before you on the topic of Siratul Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Please come Hamid Ali and express his thoughts. Jazakallah.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي. जो सुन्नत नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, जो सुन्नत नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, इस टिके में जाम में कुछ वेट नहीं होता, वो हार्ट फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, वो हार्ट फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, जो ब्यूटीफुल को देखकर अट्रैक्ट हो गया. My honorable guest, respectable teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, to the topic of my speech on the most important topic of Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is a very depressed topic that the small student like me cannot explain it. But I pray to Allah Almighty that He will give me tawfiq. Dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. He was born at Makkah on April 571 AD. It is our strong belief that He is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. He says Himself, "Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di." He was very simple, kind and humble. He never wished ill for anyone. Dear audience, before the arrival of Prophet Muhammad sallam, the Arabs never crawled and uncivilized people. Dear audience, the pagan Arabs give him many trouble in the way of Allah Almighty. There are many examples found in history, the troubles of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, when he went to Taif, the people there threw stones at him. On this occasion, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam come to him and said to the Prophet, "O Muhammad, if you wish, I will destroy them." He answered, "O gracious and merciful God, show them the right path." Dear audience, since this belief was threatening their dominance in the society, the Arabs pressure on the Rasul and his follower. They wanted them to renounce their crown and take idol worshipping. On one occasion, they sent a delegation to the Rasul, kind and caring uncle Abu Talib. They told him and restrained the Rasul from preaching Allah Almighty message and faced their Almighty, feeding himself on dilemma. He sent for his nephew and explained to him the situation. The Rasul responded with those memorable words, "My dear uncle, if the sun is my right hand, the moon is my left hand, I will not abandon it of only Allah. I shall set up the truth, feed the open the earth or preach in the time pit." I want to conclude my statement by these words. बरोज़े महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क़े मुस्तफ़ा में टेस्ट होगा, जो लेगा उसमें ज्यादा नंबर खुदा की नजर में बेस्ट होगा. मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सजा, सहाबा का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा. नौकर सहाबा को देख लेना, वहां भी वो चीफ जस्ट होगा. May Allah bless you. Thanks for